For the fourth consecutive year, our MIT workshops are back, and they're back to Bahrain as an established and evolving program, a collaboration between MIT, the American University of Bahrain, powered by BBK. What started out as an academic exchange program has now evolved into a program with real-world experience and industry relevance. We were tasked with addressing reliability and predictive maintenance in complex industrial systems, drawing context from a close collaboration with Bapco Refining, the program's industry partner. This experience was not about abstract theory. Instead, we worked to represent industry-relevant scenarios at a laboratory scale, modeling how complex systems behave under real constraints. We translated theory into physical systems, designing, assembling, and testing experimental setups that model real industrial behavior in controlled lab settings. We introduced faults, obstruction, overheating, and pressure changes. We looked at failure not as an error, but as data. Guided by our MIT instructors and the AUBH faculty from the College of Engineering and Computing, we were able to advance our skills in engineering, AI machine learning, as well as software engineering and in the AUBH laboratories. Infrastructure enabled collaboration. In just 4 weeks, confusion turned into understanding. This experience changed how we think as students and how we solve problems as future industry professionals. Through sustained partnerships, continued support, and deepening collaboration, the program reflects a model of experimental learning that grows stronger with each edition.